Boss, I need you to drop that knife right now. Drop the knife right now. Put the knife down right now.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife and stop walking towards us. Back up. Back. Boss, I need you to drop the knife right now. Okay, I need you to not kill me for Jesus, and I need you to drop that knife right now. Back the cars out. Detail 09, he is still advancing on us with the knife. We are trying to back out of the area. Boss, we need you to drop that knife right now. Back, back, back. Drop the knife. Detail 09, individual has stated he does wish to kill us and he's dangerous. Drop the knife. Yeah, right there. Shut down the street right there. Guys, behind me this way. Drop the knife right now.
201 coming with a taser. We're done. 201 coming with a taser.
Boss, I need you to drop the knife right now.
129.
Come on now. We ain't got to go down this road.
Block off. Where are we at?
Boss, you need to stop. Don't. Back up right now. God damn it. Detail 09, shots fired. Step up AMR.
Get in your office.
Stop. Holster. Stop.
Block off. Where are we at?
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Drop the knife! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Shots fired. Mail down. Get in your office.
Stop. Holster. Stop. Fuck. Unzip him.
129 on me.
Yeah.
Drop the knife! 233 shots fired!